Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Granite City, local and long distance movers near me. A long distance move is a move that is over 100 miles from your current location. It's normal to worry about how to move your belongings over such long distances. The success of the movement of your belongings to your new residence affects how well you settle down. The biggest concerns of people moving between homes are how fast their belongings will get to their new location and the condition of their items when they get eventually to them. When you hire 3 movers, the moving company, your items get to your new home quickly and in excellent condition. Our movers are well trained and organized to provide quality moving services. They carefully sort your items and separate fragile objects from heavy ones. Our moving trucks are the best quality. They are spacious and well balanced, and your items are safe and secure in them. We have a license to move your home items over long distances, and our drivers know and obey every highway regulation. They are also very punctual and get you to new residents at the right time. If you're moving less than 100 miles from your current location, we can provide the best local moving service. It's very tough to get a moving company that provides a prompt service in Granite City, and we place a premium on customer satisfaction, and locals highly recommend us. Despite our luxurious services, our rates are very affordable. We have a cheap hourly rate of around $30 to $40 per hour. We provide locals with a fast and satisfactory move at a budget-friendly price. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Granite City moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.